Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this how old do I look filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Let's go to the creator profile. He is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all this filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter. How old do I look? Tap on this. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. So I have to do that. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.